So you successfully entered the US through your K1 visa. What is next? The most obvious thing is to get married and then file your adjustment of status. But aside from that, what else should you care about? First is obtaining a social security number. This will give you access to the essential services or benefits here in the US. It's needed for employment, and most banks need this to open an account, or when you get a driver's license. Some states do require SSN. Here are the list of the states that require SSN to get a driver's license. You can apply for these before marriage, after marriage, or concurrently with your application for your AOS or the adjustment of status, or your application for your EAD or the employment authorization document. It really depends on you, and you know which one is best for you. If you want to use your married name, I suggest that you apply for this after your marriage so you don't have to reapply for a change of name. If you don't want to change your legal name to your spouse's last name, then I would say go ahead, apply for it even after a week or two of your arrival here in the US. Just like my husband, we applied for his after 5 days from his arrival here in the US. If you're not in a hurry, I would say apply it together with your EAD. But then if you don't want to apply for your EAD and just want to wait for your green card, then I'd say apply for this together with your AOS application. Generally, these are the documents you need to prepare when you go personally to the SSA to apply for your SSN. First is your valid passport with your K1 visa, your Form I-94 or the arrival or departure record. This is given to you during your port of entry, your birth certificate, and if you're married, bring your marriage certificate. Second is opening a bank account. If you want to work and get paid through direct deposit, I suggest to open a bank account. You will generally need your passport with your K1 visa, your Form I-94, a proof of your US address, and an initial deposit to activate your account. You may also need to present your social security number, but some banks do not really require it. Speaking of bank accounts, if you want to present a strong proof of your marriage to your AOS application, a joint bank account is one of it. Next, when you get married, tell your US citizen spouse to add you to his health insurances and benefits or retirement benefits. This is also a strong proof of your relationship for your AOS application. Next, a driver's license. While it's possible to live here without driving, to some areas, it might be hard for you because of the limited transportation alternatives. So I'd say it's better if you can drive. Beyond the ability to drive, driver's license serves as a primary identification that is widely accepted in various purposes such as employment or opening a bank account. Requirements can vary by state, so it is important that you check the specific requirements of the DMV where you reside. Again, in general, you will present your passport with your valid K1 visa and your Form I-94. When should you apply for it? So when you apply for a driver's license using your K1 visa, your license validity will be tied to the expiration date of your K1 visa, which is 90 days. So since your license will be tied to the expiration date of your immigration document, I'd say wait for your EAD or your green card. Just like my husband's, his driver's license expires at the same time with his EAD since we used his EAD when we got his driver's license. Again, if you want to change your legal name, I'd say apply for this after your marriage and don't forget to bring your marriage certificate. Next, file your adjustment of status or file the Form I-485 after you get married. This is to apply for a green card to become a lawful permanent resident here in the US. This generally takes 8 to 14 months or even longer to get approved and have your green card. Since this topic alone has a lot of details on it, I will make another video where I will walk you through it step by step on how to assemble the packet or on how to file this Form I-485. As we know, AOS can take a long time and you want to work here legally while waiting for your green card. Then you can apply for your EAD or your Employment Authorization Document. EAD timeline varies, but generally the USCIS process applications within 2 to 4 months. This will serve as a proof to employers that you are authorized to work here for a specific period. I will include this in the other video where I will walk you through the AOS and I will show you there how we did our EAD application, which got approved after 2 months. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and we will try our best to answer them. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to get notified for the next videos.